She loved to fly, she ran away from something at home she would not say. She needed new friends, no doors would open, she had no place to stay. Then came a bird who knew the town, who barely ever left the ground. They saw each other, they saw forever, they both knew it right away. Two love signs, you got me going out of my mind. I love you for a lifetime. You got me going out of my mind. Two lovebirds, two love signs, you got me going out of my mind. I love you for a lifetime. You got me going out of my mind. Somebody just lost her love. She started walking, he learned to cut. Somehow they made